Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome. My name is Good. So today I'm going to be telling you a simple ways on how you can easily wash your kids' school shoes, the normal shoes, the school sandals, and so on. As a mom, I found this simple means on how to keep my kids' school shoes looking so clean time to time because I don't like it whenever my kids are putting on dirty shoes. I don't like it. So I found out these simple ways on how I can be washing their shoes time to time whenever it's dirty without destroying or spoiling them. And these tricks has been so helpful. So if you're a mom and you've been looking for a way on how you can be washing your kids' school shoes or their school sandals, this video is for you. So let's go straight into the video. You guys, so these are my kids' school shoes. So as you can see, they are very dirty. So I'm going to be showing you how I usually wash them time to time without stressing too much. Okay, so I normally use my washing machine. Okay, so the first thing that I normally do, I'll get a foot mask, like maybe some dirty clothes that you don't normally wear on your body. So here I'm using a foot mask, my dirty foot mask. So I'm going to spread the foot mask first, then add some shoes, then like fold the foot mask. If I have enough dirty clothes, if you have enough dirty clothes to use, put another dirty clothes, then you put another set of shoes on top of the clothes. Like just make sure that the clothes are inside, like so that when the shoes are turning, the clothes will be supporting, so that your shoe will not have any scratch or something. So make sure you put any dirty clothes that you're not wearing or a foot mask. So you can use any soap of your choice. And what I normally use is Sick and Delicate. Okay, so if you want to, the settings that I normally use on my washing machine is Sick and Delicate, and that's all. So you allow this to wash. Like for the Sick and Delicate, this is going to take about 59 minutes to wash. And this is how it's going to be moving because of the clothes that you added. So your shoes will not be damaged. Okay, so that's the reason why you need to add maybe your foot mask and like that. So here it has been washed. Now I just need to spin and drain before like sunning my shoes. Okay, so that is basically what I do. So when you spin and drain, so this is not going to like take you too much time. Though we have our weather now is okay. We are in summer now from today. So yeah, okay. So that is how I washed it. As you can tell, look at the shoes. No scratch, nothing. Just clean like that. Okay, so yeah, this one as well, as you can tell, no scratch. Everything is perfect because of the support of those clothes that you put in between the shoes. So that protects the shoe from like hitting each other or scratching, So I just sunned it. We have a nice weather today. Yeah, our weather was very good today, and it didn't take up to 20 minutes. The shoes were dried. So this is a simple way on how I usually wash my kids' school shoes without destroying them. Okay, you can easily see nothing is broken. Okay. Okay, and these tricks has been so helpful. So if you're a mom and you're looking for a means on how to keep your kids' school shoes looking so clean time to time, try these tricks and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Or if you have other means on how you keep your kids' school shoes looking so clean time to time, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to see as well. So that is it about this video, and I will see you in my subsequent video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if this helps, and bye.